Bienvenue, that is welcome in English. In Kiswahili, karibu. And in Shen, kufinish kumalo, lies. And welcome to another episode of Farming with Jake Sengo Farm. Today, today's episode is about feeding rabbits.
The easiest diet for rabbit is quality hay, vegetables and herbs. Hay assists the rabbits in strengthening of their teeth and boosting digestion of food, while vegetables and herbs help in the provision of nutrients. Rabbits are naturally meant to graze, but most of the time they are locked in cages to prevent them from being preyed on by carnivorous animals. This calls for farmers to have a meal plan for them, not forgetting that most farmers are not even aware that rabbits need water in their meal plan. There are challenges that come with natural food supplements, and most farmers in commercial farming opt to pellets.
We introduced pellets and water to our rabbits because of the growth rate. It was very slow, and also because we were losing many rabbits because of giving them the wet grass and also cabbages and also mulberry, all these kind of green plants. So we introduced pellets so that we can increase the growth rate and also we can help them not to have a very easy digestion system. So the pellets which we have now, they have vitamins in them, they have carbohydrates, and also they have some proteins in them, so that for the rabbit to have a complete circle in where they can feed enough food for them to keep growing quickly and to multiply very quickly.
We've got what you need. You just need to get what we have. At J. Kusenga Farm, it's all about training you and teaching you about farming, about animal farming, about green farming, like farm farming. Whichever floats your boat, we got you covered.